Every person on FirstClass has their own personal calendar where they can track their events and tasks. If you work closely with others, you may wish to subscribe them to your calendar and give them permissions to view or edit content that override the defaults that are set by your system administrator. Colton is the school administrator, and he wants to let his secretary manage his calendar. This is a two-step process. To subscribe a user and change permissions, open the calendar and choose Collaborate Permissions. From here you can add subscribers by clicking on the Subscribers button. Colleen Essler is the school secretary, so Colton clicks on the Add Subscriber button and types her name in to find her in the directory, then clicks on Add. As you will see shortly, this will put a copy of his calendar inside Colleen's own calendar. The next thing that Colton has to do is change the permissions on his calendar so that Colleen can manage it for him. Still on the permission form, Colton types in Colleen's name in the Who field and chooses the level of access that he wishes Colleen to have. There are a number of different choices here, and you can review all of the different options by selecting Help and reading what each access level does. Colton has determined that he wishes to allow his secretary to manage his calendar completely, so he chooses Editor Permission. We can now log in as Colleen and open her calendar. We see that on the Calendars tab we have an option to enable Colton's calendar. Checking the box displays all of Colton's events. If she right-clicks on the calendar name, she can change the color of all of Colton's events so that they are more identifiable. The way the calendar is viewed is called a punch-through calendar. Colleen would rather have the calendar out of her calendar and on her desktop. To remove it from her calendar, she double-clicks on Colton's name to open the calendar in a new window. From here, she chooses Collaborate, Add to Desktop, and closes the calendar. This has now added an alias of the calendar to her desktop, and she can now delete the one that's on her Calendar tab. Closing the window reveals the calendar on her desktop. You may find, depending on how your system administrator set up your calendar, that you cannot move it from the location that it was placed on your desktop. If this is the case, select the calendar and choose Properties, that's Get Info on a Mac, and uncheck the Icon Position Locked checkbox. Now you'll be able to move your calendar around.